Yo, what is going on YouTube? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you the best Mech Arena promo codes in 2026. These codes for Mech Arena you can redeem right now to get free A coins. You can get 25,000 free A coins. You can get free keys and free credits. These are definitely the best Mech Arena promo codes, saving you a bunch of cash from purchasing in-app purchases. I spent a long time searching on Google, testing all of the available codes. Most of them either are expired or they don't actually give you much of anything, but I'm going to show you the best promo codes for Mech Arena, and it takes just a few minutes to do this, so make sure you follow all of the instructions. Hit that like button and also subscribe, because I am going to be creating updated videos as and when they're needed. So what you need to do is use your mobile internet browser. I'm using an iPhone here. You can do this on Android as well. Just head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So go ahead, type it exactly like that, Crash Coupons, and it's going to bring up this web page here. And as you can see, I'm just scrolling down. They have loads and loads of different codes on here, guys. So I do recommend using the search bar at the top where it says search here, and just type in Mech Arena and it should pop up, guys. Now, once you reach this page, you're going to be greeted by a page full of codes. You can see they're really popular as well, guys. So scroll down. As I alluded to earlier, you can get 100 free keys, you can get 25,000 free A coins, and 100,000 credits for completely free. All of these codes are working, and they will be removed if they stop working. So yeah, select the code you want. I'm going to select the A coins code. As you can see, this is a limited code, guys. There's 500 plus codes remaining. So what you need to do is click on that button and unlock your code. So let's just wait for it to find a code for us. And it's going to bring up the code here, and it is locked and hidden. You can see the code is blurred out there. The reason this happens is because these are limited codes and it allows only one code per person. I've already done this, but I can still talk you through what you're going to need to do. So click on this button and it's going to bring you to a page here that tells you how to get your Mech Arena promo code. So it says complete 2 of the free offers to get your Crash Coupons code, and follow the instructions below each app. So basically, guys, there is going to be a list of tasks on this page. You need to choose 2 of them. Make sure you follow the instructions. As you can see, there is some text that tells you how to complete each one. These are all completely free, and you just need to basically follow the instructions, complete 2 of those. If you do everything, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons. Obviously, I've skipped forward, but if you do those 2 tasks, your promo code for Mech Arena will be fully displayed here. You can redeem it in game, and this one's going to give you 25,000 free A coins, but you can also get keys and credits as well, guys. So head on over to Crash Coupons and just navigate your way to this Mech Arena codes page and just select your code. Make sure you do drop a like on this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.